In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a link from Dropbox without logging in. If you've ever struggled with accessing a Dropbox file or folder because of login issues, you'll find this guide really useful. Let's dive in and explore how to enable no login access and why sometimes a login might still be required. First things first, to ensure that a file or folder can be accessed without logging in, it must have been shared using a shared link. This differs from a folder invite or any other private sharing method which would require the recipient to log in. Now, it's crucial that this shared link is configured so that anyone with the link can view or download it. If the link is restricted to only invited people, non-logged-in access won't be possible. Furthermore, be mindful that the file or folder shouldn't have any additional restrictions that would require a login. This could include permissions restricted to certain team members or links that are protected by a password or an account requirement. The beauty of using a shared link is that you can simply open it in a browser, even using incognito or guest mode, without having to log in. However, there are certain situations where a login might still be necessary. For instance, if the link's settings were adjusted so that only team members or specific individuals can access the content, you'll encounter a login prompt. Similarly, if the file or folder was moved into a team folder or any restricted area that inherits stricter access controls, access without login may not be possible. Expired, deleted, or removed links can also cause issues. Some users even face problems due to browser caching, cookies, or account association. So be aware of these potential pitfalls. To check or enable the Anyone with Link access, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the file or folder in question and click on the Share button. Then go to Manage Link or Link Settings, depending on what you see. Within these settings, select the option that allows anyone with link to access. Under the section What Can They Do, choose Can View if you only want them to view or download the file. If editing is necessary, you can allow that as well, but be cautious that editing might necessitate Dropbox account possession. Once you've set this up, copy the link and test it by trying to access it in a browser, preferably while logged out of Dropbox or in an incognito window. You should be able to view or download the content without any sign-in prompts. By ensuring these settings are correctly configured, you'll provide seamless access to your shared files and folders through Dropbox.